The science of rainbows. How do they happen? Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? It's full of beautiful colors. But how does it happen? Let's find out. Light and the sun. Rainbows begin with something we see every day. Sunlight. Sunlight may look white, but it's actually made of many colors. Water drops. Sometimes, after it rains, tiny water drops stay in the air. When sunlight hits these drops, something amazing happens. Refraction with a prism. Just like a prism, water drops can bend light. This bending is called refraction. It spreads the light into colors. When the light bends and bounces inside the drops, it comes out as a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, in that order. Rainbow colors. A rainbow has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But, did you know? The number of colors in a rainbow can be different, depending on the country. Some cultures see only 5 or 6 colors. Isn't that fascinating? In Japan, many people see 7 colors in the rainbow. But in Germany and China, some people often see 5 or 6 colors. In the US and many English-speaking countries, 7 colors are common, too. Mini rainbow experiment. You can try this at home. Use a glass of water and a flashlight to make a rainbow on the wall. Put a glass of water on a table and shine a flashlight through it. Make sure the light hits the glass at an angle. Look on the wall or floor. Can you spot a tiny rainbow? Rainbows are more than just pretty, they're science in action. Next time you see one, you'll know the secret behind the magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more fun science videos.